Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is another tutorial on how to cover your dark circles. So first of all, I'm going in with a red lipstick by Color Bar. So the reason I'm going in with the red lipstick is that her dark circles are really deep, and the deeper the dark color of the dark circles are, the more deeper you want to go in the shade of red. You can also use a deeper orange, and if they're slightly light, you can go with a lighter orange or even the peach shade. So directly applying the red color under her eyes, and turns out the sponge didn't work that well, so going in with the fingers, blending the red color all over the dark circles, just blending it with my fingers onto the other eye. So you want to cover the whole area of the eye that has dark circles on it. So also going in for the lids, putting in the red color on the top of the lids and even in the inner corner, because I think that is really deep and you really want to pop that portion out. So just blending in with my fingers. So now I'm going to use foundation and cover all of her eyes, even the lids, with the foundation, and also going in with her face, just applying all over the eyes, onto the lids and her face, just blending it. So you want to blend as I always say, because that blending is the key to flawless makeup. So applying it on her lids, just like that, just gently dabbing on her eyes. So you do not want to leave any red area showing. So now going in with the Fit Me concealer under her eyes. Now you can see after the foundation already the dark circles are not showing. So with the concealer, what is gonna do is it's really gonna pop up the dark circles, like the area of the dark circles is really gonna pop out. So you also want to use it on the lids, in the inner corner. I know it's a lot of product, but trust me, it's really worth it. It's gonna cover all the imperfections. So now just gently dabbing with the beauty blender. You just wanna press it on the spot, just blend it gently onto the other eye. So now after blending this, I'm going in with the translucent powder in the shade Banana. Now the reason I'm using yellow color is it's according to her shade, it fits her shade, and you can use any translucent powder you want of any shade, like according to your shade. And if you don't know what shade you are, then you can always go in with the white translucent powder. It works for every skin tone. So after leaving the powder for 2 minutes, I'm gonna remove it all, and as you can see how flawless her under eyes looks. This is how covering the dark circles turn out. I hope you guys really enjoyed this tutorial and you learned something out of it. And if you liked my video, please hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe, and I will see you all in my next video, guys. Bye bye.